Bring out the waffles, bring on the waffles. But I'm mating. Let's start this over, shall we? Righty-o. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to Tereza's Choice Kitchen. Today we're making breakfast waffles. This recipe can be a dessert as well, but I'm an adult and I want waffles for breakfast. Thank you very much. I'm making it in a healthy version though. I'm adding oats and using whole grain spelt flour, which can be changed with buckwheat flour as well. Jazz up this recipe as you wish. I'm adding almond butter and some fresh summer berries. Bring out the waffles. For the vegan waffles, first combine 350 milliliters non-dairy milk and 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar and stir together. Set aside to curdle for about 5 minutes. In a medium bowl, whisk together 150 grams spelt or buckwheat flour, 50 grams of rolled oats or desiccated coconut for a gluten-free version, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Pour the non-dairy milk mixture into the bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and a bit of vanilla extract. Stir the batter together with a spatula until just barely combined. Add a big tablespoon of almond butter and optionally fold in some fresh blueberries. Preheat your waffle maker. If you don't own one, you can use this batter as pancake mix. Drop the batter onto the bottom and close the top. Serve with coconut yogurt, almond butter, fresh seasonal fruit, and maple syrup. Okay, let's try this. It looks basically like a big cake. A cake for breakfast. Don't mind if I do. Yum! So fluffy, healthy. I can taste the oats. Good for you. My kind of morning.